Hello, everyone. What is the GDP of France? GDP means the total value of goods and services produced in a country. France has a nominal GDP of 3.4 trillion US dollars. This makes France one of the largest economies in the world. Its economy is large because it combines a big population with strong production and services. France GDP per capita is about 50,000 US dollars, showing a high average economic output per person. Major sectors include tourism, manufacturing, financial services, farming, and aerospace. These industries support jobs, exports, and business activity across France. France also has a large public sector, which plays an important role in the economy. The economy of France is closely linked to trade with other European countries. France is also a leading member of the European Union and uses the euro. Recent GDP growth in France has been modest, with activity affected by high costs, interest rates, and weaker demand. However, areas such as technology, renewable energy, luxury goods, and aviation continue to create opportunities. France remains an important global economy because of its diverse industries, skilled workers, strong infrastructure, and major companies. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.